Imagine a world where cryptocurrencies could be as private as cash. A world where your transactions are shielded from prying eyes. That's the promise of privacy-focused cryptocurrencies like Beam. But here's a question: is Beam built on the Ethereum blockchain? Let's dive in and find out. The Ethereum blockchain, a quick recap. Ethereum is often called the world's computer for cryptocurrencies. It's a platform where developers can build decentralized applications, dApps, and smart contracts. Think of it as a digital playground for developers. Beam, a privacy-focused alternative. Beam, on the other hand, is a cryptocurrency designed with privacy in mind. It uses a technology called Mimblewimble, which is known for its ability to hide transaction details. This makes it a popular choice for those who value anonymity. Comparing the two. So, is Beam built on Ethereum? The answer is no. While Ethereum is a public blockchain, Beam operates on its own independent network. This means that Beam transactions aren't processed on the same network as Ethereum. The benefits of independence. This independence has several advantages for Beam. It allows the Beam team to prioritize privacy features without being constrained by the needs of other dApps on the Ethereum network. Additionally, it can potentially improve transaction speed and reduce fees. The role of interoperability. However, just because Beam is not on Ethereum doesn't mean it's completely isolated. There are initiatives to bridge the gap between different blockchains, including Beam and Ethereum. This could allow users to transfer assets between the two networks in the future. To summarize, Beam is not built on the Ethereum blockchain. It's a separate cryptocurrency with a focus on privacy. While this independence offers certain advantages, the future may hold opportunities for interoperability. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.